everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Chum from Roofing SEO Chum. So for those who are having a hard time or have issues with your website loading slow, it might be because of your image. And what I'm going to show you today is how to optimize your image by resizing it and compressing it so that you get the smallest file size as possible for your image. So to those who are not techie or not a graphic designer, I'll show you how to do it using Paint. It's very accessible to most of PC or Window users. I'm sorry, I don't have a Mac, so that's how I usually do it. If you like this video or if you find this helpful, please leave a comment below, subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and make sure to hit the notification bell button. Let's get started. Okay, so how to resize a photo without Photoshop. So I'm just going to go through some of the stock photos here for photos. Usually clients must provide a landscape photo that they have taken of current projects or older projects so that we can use them on the website. But if not, but if they don't provide anything, I hop on to o-dan.net and grab some free stock photos. But there's a limited options. You can also go to Shutterstock. It's another one, and I think there's iStock photo. So those are some. Yeah, no, these two are paid, but this one is free. So yeah, let's get to it. For example, I want to grab a photo of this. So this house. Okay. So here you can see free download, and you'll be asked what size. So usually it depends on your blog, the width of your text. So for example, this is your blog. You can do right-click inspect, and then here you'll see the width that you need. So for this example, it should be about 920 in width. So now I'll just get the 1280. So it's slightly bigger, so it doesn't it's still clear enough when we resize it. And so usually I have a folder for each client, and then this here, make sure you rename it. So for example, residential. um, under contract. So we need the file name to be descriptive as well, to make it easier for Google once they crawl your website. Then if you don't know how to use Photoshop, you can actually, most PC or Windows users have Paint. You can just hop on Paint, this one, and then File, Open, and then try to find the photo that you took or you downloaded. It can be from your camera or from a download stock photo. And then you can click Resize, Pixels, and then 920. So make sure that this one is checked to maintain the ratio. If not, it will appear stretched. Like for example, 720, and then it will stretch. So I'm going to undo that and then resize it, pixel 920. Okay, so now it's the exact size for your blog, which is perfect. And then we're going to save as JPEG. So JPEG is best for photos. PNG is best for logos, which is solid colors. GIF or GIF is good for like clip arts, animations. So for photos, it's best to use JPEG. And make sure you have a descriptive file name, which we're going to use, which you will be using as an alt text for your blogs. Now, to here, you can see the size is 239. So we are going to make it smaller to make sure that the page loads faster. So what we're going to do is compress the file. So here I'm using tinypng.com and then download. So just find the file, and now we're able to save 34% of the file size. So let's save it as is. I remove just the one so I don't have any duplicates. Replace it. Yes. And then you can now upload this to your blog or your website. So yeah, that's it for today. This is how to resize and optimize your page for your blog. So thanks again for watching, and I hope you find that video helpful. For our next video, I want to show you how to do it using Canva. Resizing your photo. If you don't have Paint or if you're not using Windows, we can use Canva to actually resize our photos. I'll show you that on the next video. Again, if you do want to watch more of our videos, please do subscribe and support our channel. Bye!